From novice to expert, mastering computers in 5 easy steps. Please subscribe to my channel. Becoming proficient with computers is an achievable goal for anyone, and while it may not happen overnight, it's certainly possible with dedication and practice. Here are 5 easy steps to help you go from a novice to an expert. 1. Understanding the basics. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental concepts of computers. Learn about hardware components like the CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Understand the basic software components, such as operating systems and applications. Explore how data is processed and stored within a computer system. 2. Mastering operating systems. Choose a widely used operating system, e.g., Windows, macOS, or Linux, and focus on mastering its features and functionalities. Learn how to navigate the file system, customize settings, and uninstall software. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to improve your efficiency. 3. Exploring software applications. Identify the specific areas you want to excel in, such as programming, graphic design, or data analysis. Explore relevant software applications and start with beginner tutorials. As you become more comfortable, move on to intermediate and advanced levels. Practice regularly to build your skills. 4. Internet and online safety. In today's digital age, understanding the internet and online safety is crucial. Learn about web browsers, search engines, and how to use them effectively. Familiarize yourself with online security practices, such as creating strong passwords and being cautious about phishing scams. 5. Troubleshooting and problem-solving. As you gain experience with computers, you'll inevitably encounter challenges and technical issues. Embrace these opportunities to learn how to troubleshoot problems effectively. Utilize online resources, forums, and communities to find solutions. Becoming a proficient problem solver is a vital skill in mastering computers. Bonus tip: continuous learning. Technology is ever evolving, and to remain an expert, you must commit to lifelong learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, advancements, and software updates. Attend workshops, webinars, or courses to expand your knowledge. Remember that becoming an expert with computers takes time and patience. Don't be discouraged by initial difficulties. Celebrate your progress along the way, and soon enough, you'll find yourself confidently navigating the digital world. Thanks for watching.